Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock. So guys, you can also see that we have one level show up today over here at 1150. So now we have something to work with as well, right? The significant level on intraday, I'll show you there are more levels as well, but we do see that today we had some sell-off, but we got bought back up, and which is imminent because we are still in an uptrend. Things just don't work, gonna fall off the cliff. Even if they have to cool off, we have to see if it's the distribution phase. So in this video, we'll take a look at, are we entering in a distribution phase, or was it just a pullback? Are we then gonna continue higher eventually above 1150? Let's talk about all of that. All right, I'll show you overall market as well. I'll do another separate video on AMD. Some cool off is there on semiconductors today. Nvidia is still holding strong, but the market is also selling off QQ SPY. We'll take a look at all of that. So guys, hit the like, subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. So first I want to start off with my day trading bot here. Even today, yeah, Nvidia was falling, but hey, no worries. When the look at it, we still got a good buying into it, right? And when once the confirmation came, and then the bot has already given two partial size out profits as well. Still net profitable, and even today as well, profitable day is going to come. So great. I'm very humbled that it performs in such a way, and yeah. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below, right? You already know that. And also on the swing bot, so if I go to the 30 minutes and just the performance of it, yeah, so it's still running strong. We are still on the current position, whatever has been closed, that is $5,800, and then still current running PNL is on the remainder of open position is 8,000, almost 500, 8,500 almost, right? So total, this will come around already like 14,000 on this position. I think the biggest ever. So at least in the last 30 trades. But anyways, as I said, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right, so let's go to the hourly interval, and let's talk about Nvidia there. So yes, we do see some tap over there. We have a significant level now at 1150. But does it now constitute it as bearish from here? Well, here's the thing. So you can see we got bought back up at this previous area of 1107. Now, again, like these things won't be like, it's just, sometimes it works like to the penny we come over there, but it's a sentiment, right? Not a sentiment, but it's an area to watch. Area is what I mean to say. And since we have been bullish, structure has been bullish, higher highs, higher lows, this pullback, as I said, is just going to get bought back up because we are in an uptrend. Am I seeing any structure break right now? No. Now, if this has to become a distribution phase, at this point, what we have to see is it lose 20 hours moving average and break again below this $1,123 level. All right, if Nvidia does that, and now without breaking above 1150, then I would at least still at the same time say there's 1107 that is a strong support level. This zone, as if Nvidia stays in this zone is just going to be a zone of distribution from where the price is right now. So breakout above it is just a continuation to the upside. Break below 1107, then some weakness may start come. I'm not saying that we are fully bearish because we still have on Nvidia a lot of room to stay bullish, but the weakness more may start coming if we lose 1107. But the thing is, guys, still looking strong. So that's the thing. We are still strong. Weakness is coming, but on intraday, I already showed you can still trade long. And you on intraday, when you are in the range, you can trade both sides, long or short, right? But as for right now, as you know, I'm not buying here as on the swing up here. I already showed you my swing, but it's the time to take profits. My bot is already giving partial profits position. Intraday, I showed you intraday as well, that you can still trade it long. My bot get the long position from the pullback, right? And made good, money on that as well. So, but again, as you saw, there are red days as well. And it's about minimizing your losses, maximizing profits potential. Yeah, and there's guarantee of nothing. Okay, on my boss as well. I mean, nothing is financial advice here, guys. It's only for education purposes. Okay, now, so that's Nvidia. We are a little bit going sideways, but the confirmation of downside is not there. That is, if 1123 again breaks, you can expect 1107. But what I eventually want to see is 50 hours moving average break with these levels, right? It's just not that just break 50 hours moving average eventually and that's all good, or just break 1107 and that's all good. No, it needs to break some more if some cool off has to come. Otherwise, yeah, this thing just can continue higher and higher. Nothing is stopping it because it's in that direction. All right, so that's Nvidia. Easy peasy, not complicated. We will see what comes out of it. And if you want to talk about just on this daily interval, guys, this is just a normal pullback. I mean, this is not even a pullback of type that, look at it here. That was some red pullback. So today we have this green candle on daily, all right? This is not like a structure chain, nothing. This is just bullish. All right. I'm gonna do another video on AMD because this is going to be an interesting one. But I just want to show you real quick what AMD is doing today, right? Selling a little bit sold off that supply zone that we had, but we'll talk about this in another video today, and real quickly show you ARM as well. A little bit selling off today, but we'll talk about it in another video as well today. SMCI, yeah, this thing is just triggering my area of that position, but I'll talk about this in another video. Okay. All right, QQQ, let's take a look at that. Okay, so we sold off but got bought back up, guys. We haven't broken that level of 454. There's not even a start of structural change to the downside. Even if we do that, QQ has a chance of just at 449 to 448 just find a pullback. So yes, intraday cool-offs may come as if we continue to break 454.87 cents and thus, but the structure overall is still bullish until 448 to 449 on this thing. And then SPY, yeah, SPY, as I was expecting, a little bit more weaker it was looking because of this bearish candle, and looks like it's just a sort of distribution phase, right? Above that previous distribution phase, right? SPY usually cools off after these big red candles, and then you can see so accurate, like you can like we had the candles in a similar type, candles in the similar type. Wow, this is crazy. It's like mirroring completely. But anyways, so this thing though, if yeah, so as I said that if we break level by level, cool off may come intradays, but the structure, it has to break 524, then we can talk about 518 coming down to it, and if that loses, then we can talk about much downside. But otherwise, these areas will just an area potentially of pullbacks. If the price action holds, you have to see price action on the lower interval. If it's trying to form support, wicks are forming, or again, double bottoms, they're bullish structures, right? In the price action that you have to see. If they're forming, consolidation forming, then this pullbacks just can give it, these levels can just give it more upside. We'll see. But yeah, right now looks like it is. That's why I say it's time to buy is at these pivots. These are the time to take the profits. And let's see if the pullback continues or we run into cool offs. We'll see eventually. But yeah, this looks like to me is a distribution phase. Yeah. All right. So, well, that's it for this video. And guys, I'll see you in my next one. All right. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below this video. All right. Bye.